What's up guys, it's Gus Activa and today we are at the Miami airport. I just made it through security, so as you can see in front of me, that's the security section. In security, they were able to check my suitcase and my book bag. My book bag that I have. Book bag and all the electronics that I have, just to make sure I don't have anything that's not allowed on the plane. But I passed fairly easy, so let's go ahead and do a tour. So I'm thinking I want to get something to eat. Actually, I need to use the bathroom first. Where's the bathroom? That's the women's bathroom. Where's the men's bathroom? Here's a unisex bathroom. Let's see if they have. It's open. Ah, it's closed. Where's the men's bathroom? I think it's on that side maybe? Let's see. But let me know, have you guys ever been to the airport before? Maybe to go to another city or another country? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully I can find a bathroom before I eat anything. Oh, right here. Men's bathroom. It says men. Okay, now that I've used the bathroom, now it's time to look for some food. There's a food court over here. In this place, it looks like there's pastries and sandwiches, I think. Yeah, and sandwiches. Over there, it looks like there's chicken. There's a Burger King, and there's a pizza place. I think I want Burger King, but I don't know. That's a little too heavy for me right now. I think I'll do Starbucks. I think there's a Starbucks further down. So let's go ahead and walk to Starbucks together. Am I going down the right place? Let me see. Concourse H, Concourse J. I don't know if I'm going down the right place. So right now I have a flight to Switzerland, and then from Switzerland I'll go to Italy. And I know that the flight where the airplane is in Concourse J. Concourse J meaning like the place where the flight or the plane is stationed, and where we board is in Concourse J. But here in the airport, you see they have a jewelry store. So a bunch of bracelets, earrings, necklaces, a lot of stuff. Okay. Yes, I think I was supposed to go the other way. Let's walk the other way. The other way to Concourse J. And another thing, the Miami airport is really big because it's an international airport. So a lot of planes from a lot of places come into Miami airport. But when you have a big airport, that means that you have to walk a lot. So I don't know. It's good exercise. So I didn't go to the gym today because I had to come to the airport. But I would say walking is good exercise for me, so I don't mind it. All right, now we're going down the right way. So as you can see, there's a lot of waiting areas. So for people that are waiting for their flight, they can wait here. This is where you get your flight information. So if you are waiting for a flight and you don't know if your flight is on time or not, you can look at this screen over here. And as you can see, all of these are flights. Now, let's find the Starbucks. I'm going to order something at Starbucks so that you can learn how to order in English. You can learn how I order things in English, which is not too many words. So I'm confident after you see me order something, you would be able to order something in English as well. Let's do it. There's the Starbucks here. let's go ahead and order.
As you can see here, they sell cups. Here's a cup, and there's a straw. Straw, cup.
And then you see more cups that they sell over here. Hey, how are you doing today?
Good.
Can I do 2 bacon Gouda sandwiches?
2 bacon Gouda sandwich, okay.
And that's all for today.
What is your name?
Gus.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. I ordered 2 sandwiches, and now we are waiting for them. So, I should get them in about 2 minutes, I think. So I just got the 2 sandwiches. Now, let's go to the lounge so I can get free drinks. From what I remember, the lounge is in here. And here we're gonna take the escalators up. Escalators. So we can go up. Sometimes escalators take a little while, but they're good. They're good if you don't want to move your legs. Unfortunately, the lounge was too busy, so they weren't allowing anyone new to enter. But that's okay. We're just gonna find a spot to sit so that I can eat my sandwiches in peace. I will sit over here because it's nice and quiet. And as you can see, I'm in front of a window so I can see what's going on outside. Nice and cool. Let's try the sandwich. So in this sandwich, it's bread, bacon, egg, and cheese. Let's do the first bite. That's really good. It's like light, but has a lot of flavor. I'm gonna take a big bite. Alright guys, I just finished both of the sandwiches. Oh, I dropped one of the bags. Now that I'm done, let's go find a trash can to throw away the trash. Trash can, we're gonna put our trash in the trash can. That's how you do it. So now that we're done eating and we have to board the flight in about 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I put the toothpaste on the toothbrush, and now I'm gonna put it in my mouth and brush. All right, now we are done, and now we are gonna go to the gate. Let's make a left. Oh, these are like massage chairs. So if your body hurts, you can sit there, and it's an electronic massager in the chair. So that's cool, but I don't need it, so I'm good. Yep, make a right. And our flight is this one. Air Swiss to Switzerland. This is the city that I'm going to for the connection. So let's get it. It's 4:01. We leave at 4:40, but I think we start boarding at 4:10. So let's do it. We are at J17. So we are all the way down there. We're just passing J10. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's the letter J, the number 10, and we are J17. So let's keep going. And as you can see, at an airport, there are a lot of people. All the time, there are a lot of people. Because imagine, you have people from all over the world that come here, and people that have to go somewhere. So I almost went in the wrong line, but as you can see, I'm in the right line now. And here is the plane outside, so you can see. So as you can see, that's the airplane that I'm going to be flying on. So what happens is people start at the line from there, and they go through. In that tube, we walk through it and into the airplane, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing. So we are going through the tube that I showed you guys earlier. So here's a look inside. It's pretty hot in here though. I don't think there's any air coming in from the outside, any breeze, so. But let's see. 28?
28? 28? Right there.
28K?
20K, right here.
Thank you. 28K. Alright, hold on. Alright, now I am in my seat. As you can see, we're on the plane, so let me... That's the wing of the plane. The wing, how we fly. And yeah, they give us a pillow so we can lay our head on the pillow. We can go to sleep like this. And a blanket, which is pretty cool. So that is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it or learned any new English, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.